The iOS 18.2 is here and it brings the new Genmoji feature that you can use on your iPhone keyboard. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Genmoji on your iPhones powered by iOS 18.2 and use on your iOS keyboard. So here we go. So to use the new Genmoji feature on your iPhones, first of all, you will have to use the image playground that allows you to create some new AI generated pictures on your iPhone. If you would like to know how to use the image playground, then I have already shared a detailed how-to guide, especially about the image playground, that you can watch by visiting the link given in the description of this video or by clicking the one appearing at the top right corner. Once you activate and use the image playground, after that you can use the Genmoji on your iPhone. For that, all you have to do is go to any of the application where you would like to use the Genmoji. For example, if I go to Twitter and try to type any of the message here, and then I go to this smiley section on my iOS keyboard, if I tap on this, on the smiley, here at the top right corner of the keyboard, you can see there is a new icon that is changing in color. If you tap on this, then the Genmoji will be activated, and here you can just type a text prompt to create a new emoji on your iPhone. So for example, let's say octopus riding a bike. Tap on done, and here we go. You can see the images are being generated. So here is an octopus riding a bike. As you can see here, more pictures are being generated. If you want to save it, if you just tap on these three dots, then you will get all of these options. So either you can just copy it and directly paste it in the keyboard where you are typing the message. You can share it. If you want to save it permanently, then you can tap on save to stickers. You can even add a caption to give it a name. Or if you find that this emoji created, the new Genmoji, is kind of offensive or wrong in whatever way, then you can even report a concern. So this is how you can generate an emoji using the new Genmoji feature via the image playground. Let's try something else. And here you can see that a monkey is now playing guitar, and the monkeys are different as well. Here is a brown one, here is a chimpanzee, black one. Now you can just post it on your Twitter. So this is how you can create any of the Genmoji on your iPhone. It's pretty easy, as we have seen. And it's kind of fun as well. So this is how you can use the new Genmoji and have some fun while texting on social media or just sending some iMessages. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.